Hey guys, I want to show you how I get these beautiful curls completely naturally. They're so beautiful and no heat tools involved. So I start off by using these rollers that I got from Dollarama. I got two different sizes. The blue ones are a lot thinner, and then there's pink ones which are a lot thicker. So I use the blue ones for the front of my hair, or the shorter parts or smaller sections. I personally like the curl that I get better from the thinner ones, but that would just take too long to use all over my hair, so I use the pink ones. And now I'm showing you why you don't buy hair rollers from Dollarama. Come on, girl, you can do it. Come on. Yes. Almost there. Oh, damn, I thought I got it. Oh, I got it. I fixed it. Yep. So if you're not cheap like me, you can probably buy better quality ones from Walmart. Probably only a few bucks more. Anywho, I'm gonna use it on another section of my hair. Just wrap it up, and I am doing all these towards my face. You could do them in different directions. Like one, you could do it towards your face, the next one away from your face, or you could do them all the same way. I pretty much always do it this way. That's just a look that I like. I'm just gonna do that for the rest of the sections in my hair. La di di da, la da do, la da da dee. Now I'm gonna awkwardly smile at the camera because I remember how weird I look when I'm not smiling. So just keep smiling and look at the camera. That's what I kept telling myself. Keep smiling. I keep looking at the camera. Ah, the Dollarama hair rollers strike again. Oh, that one fixed pretty quick. So now that my hair is pretty much all wrapped up, I am gonna change my clothes and go to sleep just like this. Oh, wow. This is what it feels like to have short hair. Please, no close-ups of your face, Fairy. Okay, so now it's the next day, and I am just taking out all my rollers. I am in a different bedroom. I don't know why. I thought the lighting here was better. This lighting is horrendous. Anywho, I am just taking out all of the rollers now, as you can see. Yep. What? I think I went to look in the mirror before I came in front of the camera to make sure it looked okay. Imagine it looked like crap, and then I'm here making a video about it. And woo, that's the end result. So you can run your finger through it if you want. I don't like that look, so I just lightly run my fingers through, but not completely. And that's just how I'm gonna leave it for the whole day, and they're gonna actually hold up all day. Ooh, I love it. I freaking love it. You know, if you want the curls to be higher, you can obviously just get more rollers and wrap the smaller sections where you could do it higher. But I personally like this look better because I still want my hair to look long. And yeah, that's the end result. Oh, wow. Yes, I put on the same shirt as last night just for the sake of the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, bye.